Hi, my name is Manos and I'm the co-founder of Mentionlytics, a platform that is designed to help you manage the online reputation of your brand. In this video, I just want to give you a quick overview of our app and make sure you get the best out of your free trial. So let's get started. The first thing you see when you log into the app is the overview page. This is an overview of your brand's mentions for the past 7 days. You can switch to a different date range by using the top right date selector. For example, let's set it to 30 days. Please note that mentions are captured from the day you set up your account to a few days back. By hovering over each day, you can see a breakdown of your mentions per channel for the selected day. By clicking on a single date, a pop-up appears that will give you an overview of what happened on this particular day. Just below, you can see a sentiment analysis of your mentions classified into positive or negative depending on their context. A mention refers to any web or social post that includes a keyword you have set to monitor, for example your brand name and product, the hashtag, etc. A keyword can be a single word, a phrase, or even a set of rules that have words that you want to include or avoid when tracking for mentions. In the Mention Tracker box, you can select, add, or edit the keywords you are monitoring. These are split into brand monitoring, which includes keywords to your brand, competitors, with keywords and social profiles of your competitors, and industry and topics, which can be keywords for mentions to your industry. Under each of these categories, you can find groups of keywords and social profiles that you are monitoring. All the graphs, numerical data, and mentions that are being displayed are from the mention trackers that are checked. You can easily select different data to display by using these checkboxes. You can also see 4 boxes with totals at the top of the page. The first one displays the total number of mentions for the selected dates and mention trackers. The social reach box refers to the total potential reach of your mentions. The social engagement box shows the number of likes, shares, and comments these mentions achieved so far. Finally, the sentiment analysis box shows the total number of mentions that were classified as positive or negative. Just below the graphs, you can see a number of boxes with the latest mentions per channel. For each of these, you can click View to open a pop-up with a full mention, or click Open to open the actual mention on a different browser tab. The world map highlights the countries that the mentions originated from. Darker color means more mentions. The bottom boxes display the top 9 mentioners for each channel. 3 based on the number of mentions, 3 based on the number of followers, and 3 based on engagement. By clicking on each of them, you get a full list of all the captured mentions from this user, as well as some more information about this profile. There is also a filter bar at the top that you can narrow your results, for example by choosing to see only the negative ones. You can also search for particular words within your mentions. Let's search for the word delay to try it. You can even create complex Boolean queries to extract exactly what you need. For example, delay and snow. Finally, you can export your mention data to an Excel or PDF file. In addition to the overview page, there are a number of other pages which display more detailed mention data. The mentions page will display the full detailed list of your mentions for the selected date range and mention trackers. This is possibly the page you will be spending most of your time. When you click on a web mention, you will see a captured screenshot of this page. The keywords that you are tracking are also highlighted, and you can click here to locate them easily. The Reports page displays a report of your mention data, which can be downloaded in different formats. The Share of Voice page is great for comparing your brand to your competitors. After you have set up mention trackers for your competitors, you can see your online reputation against theirs. You can simply download this report in different formats by clicking here. To find influencers, you can use the Top Mentioners page. You can filter this list to specific channel and reorder the table for any column you prefer. This list can also be exported to an Excel file for further processing. The top keywords page will show you a full list of words used on your mentions. You can reorder the table, for example, by engagement to find the best keywords in terms of social engagement. You can also filter these to only hashtags, so it's really easy to find the best performing hashtags to use on your Instagram posts. Just filter the channel to Instagram and you can then export them to an Excel or TXT file. Okay, I try to give you a brief overview of what you can do with our tool. Of course, there is much more to it that you can discover using your own data with your free trial. If you need any help at any point, just use the chat box at the bottom right of your screen. Someone from our team will be happy to help. Enjoy your trial.